Perfect. That's nice that they just give us that. Okay. The total area under a normal distribution curve must equal 1, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Mhm.
Okay. Under certain circumstances, a normal distribution curve can drop below the x-axis. No.
That's false.
No, not on a normal.
A normal distribution curve blah, 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 is symmetric. True.
True.
Use the following area or image, oh my gosh, to answer the next 2 questions. Alrighty, Daddy. Which
C,
of the
right?
following elements in the figure represents the z-score? Yeah. Okay. Hopefully the questions are just like this, so we can just scroll through them, right?
Yeah.
Which one represents the z-score? Is it C?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. My son was screaming. You
Which-
can't hear him.
Which of the following elements of the figure represents the probability that the z-score will be greater than 1?
A, right?
Mhm.
I think.
Well, I would greater than 1, but I would. You don't think it was B? Because A isn't that area less than the
Well,
amount 1?
Yeah, but if you look
Greater?
at it, the probability isn't at 84%. So I don't know. I get confused with where we highlight the thing.
Yeah, seriously. Represents probably greater than 1. Well,
No, you're probably right. I think you're
we
right.
can always retake it, right?
Yeah.
We'll guess 1, and then we'll just guess the other.
Well, I feel like it's B. I think you're right. All right.
According to this rule, what percentage of the data from the bell-shaped distribution will be within 1 standard deviation? Isn't that? Let's see. Where's the
68.
68. That's 1, right?
Yeah. Yep.
So 0.68 or
Write your percentage as a percentage, such as 62. Okay, there we go. 68. No points.
Okay.
No decimals.
just write 68.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Okay, suppose the z-score comes from a standard.
Normal deviation. Use the normal probability applet to answer this question. What proportion of the z-scores will be between -1 and 1? Give your answer as in. What will be between them?
These are the ones I have a hard time with the between, and I don't know if I didn't see how to do that in the book.
If the answer was, well, you just go minus, don't you? This minus this, and then what's the difference? Except for I'm thinking that z-score minus that z-score, the difference between those two is
0.
So that doesn't make any sense.
Nope.
Well, I guess there is a 0 in between. Give your answer as a decimal. These scores come from a normal. Oh, use the app. Oh, do they already have things written in the app? No, it's the same exact thing. Okay.
Oh wait, but mine is.
We just shade the middle. Is it just that we shade the middle? Is that it? Let me see. So 0.682. Okay, what is it asking for? Is it just 0.682?
Will be between. Yeah, that's what I would think.
Because that's shaded the middle, right?
Yeah.
Let's just guess it. Or 0.6827. If the answer is that, you'd enter 3. Okay. So 0.683, right?
Yeah, let's try that. All right.
Suppose that scores come from a standard normal. Okay, use this to answer the what proportion would be between -2 and 2. So now we just change the numbers, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
-2, 2. I got 0.955.
Yep.
0.55. Suppose that z-scores come from a standard. Okay, now we put it to -3.
0.997.
0.997. Look carefully at your answers to the last 2 questions. What do you observe?
So it's not the second one. And it's not the third one, is it? 'Cause they don't. Oh, wait.
Double.
As you move from Z1 to Z2. They don't.
Uh,
They didn't double.
Not exactly, right? No,
No.
they didn't double. I think it's the rule. Is it the
I-
rule?
I think so too. Yeah. The amount of protein that an individual must consume is different for every person. There are solid theoretical ideas that suggest that the protein requirement will be normally distributed in the population of the United States. The protein requirement is given in terms of the number of grams and good quality protein that must be consumed each day per kilogram of body weight. Population mean protein requirement for adults.
So our
grams of population standard deviations.
mean is 0.65. For standard
Yeah.
deviation is 0.07. Okay. What is the portion of the population that has a protein requirement that is less than 0.60? So our V would be 0.60, right?
Yeah.
So then, what is the, okay, X, or, X, not V, X minus M
Yep, divided by.
divided by 0.07, right?
Yeah.
Okay. .60 minus 0.65.
I got negative 0.714.
Yeah, negative. Yeah, that's what I got. Negative 0.714, and then that's it, right? Because they're not asking for the probability, so
No.
Yeah.
negative 0.714. Okay.
What proportion of the population have a protein requirement that is more than 0.60 grams? Give your answer as a decimal.
Oh wait, was
I think
that
we're supposed to be
before
putting-
that?
Yeah, I
That-
think we're supposed to be putting it into the normal probability
Yeah, I
and
do too.
highlighting the less, huh? Yeah.
Yeah, I do too. I was like,
Okay.
whoa, whoa, whoa. So we got to put the Z-score in and
Yeah.
highlight the.
Highlighting the part we want to know, right?
Yep.
.714, and we want to know the less.
Yep.
The in
It's
between.
0.276
.233.
or 37.
Oh,
or
okay.
38.
Okay, phew. Yeah, .238, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
And then we would just highlight the.
238, and then I would say we just highlight the more than side, right? Or the, because it wants to know the greater.
Don't we highlight the middle and the right one?
Oh yeah, because they're both greater. Yeah, you're right.
I think.
More than the, or is it just?
I don't know. This is where I get confused with what I watched the video, and then it said something like if it's above 50, then both of them are highlighted.
Oh, really? Is that what it said?
Yeah, I think so. What did you get? If you highlight both, did you get 0.762?
Yeah.
Yeah, I did. You are crazy.
So
Okay.
then the next one, we just got to, what proportion of the population has a protein requirement that is less than 0.70? We just got to find the z-score for that.
Ivy, sit still.
What is the proportion of the population? That is less than 0.70. Oh, we're just finding a z-source. Sorry, my brain didn't clue in.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's weird. It's the same.
Did you get the same answer? Okay, hold on. I'm behind. Let's see.
No, you're good.
Here. Point
Mommy's gonna put you down.
70.
It's the same answer, but it's not negative.
65 equals divided by 0.07 equals 0.714. Yeah, that's what I got. So then we put it into the thing, right?
Yep.
Z-score. Oh, but wait, what's the difference, right? Because either way, they're going to 0.714.
Yeah.
So then, what's the question?
It's
Less than that.
less than, yeah.
Well, I guess then we take the positive one, so then it's 0.763, right? With this one, right?
Yeah, because you highlight both of
So we
them,
use
right?
both of them, right? Okay.
I think.
I think so. Yeah, it's got to be
Okay.
0.763 to make some kind of a difference from the other one.
Right.
I think I liked the first part of this week's lesson better.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know. I stayed up for a long time last night studying this because I was like,
Find the probability that a randomly selected person will have a protein requirement that is between 60 and 70. Remember to find the area between the two values. Shade to the left of each z-score you calculate. Then subtract the smaller area from the larger area. This stuff just makes me laugh. When in my life am I ever going to use this?
exactly.
Okay.
All right. So we got to find the z-score for both of them, right?
Yeah, for both of them. Yeah, I think, yeah. Mm-hmm. Wait, we already have them. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we do. Okay.
Right? So
Yep.
one z-score is, did I not write it down?
Yeah, the 60 is,
Oh, I didn't write it down. Yeah, so what is a 60 equal? Are you looking back?
yeah, it's negative 0.714,
Oh,
right? And then the
And then-
other one was positive 0.714.
okay, yeah, that's right. That it was our z-scores.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Find the area between the two values.
we just highlight the middle, right?
Shade to the left of each z-score.
Oh.
Yeah.
So that's
Oh, yeah.
point.
We just highlight the middle. 0.5.
No, because if we highlight it to the left of the negative z-score, that's not the middle.
Oh, we want to know the outside and the inside.
Is that what it is?
So to the left of each z-score you calculate. Remember to find the area between the two values.
Ah!
Okay, so the area between the two values is that blue shaded one. So it
And-
is 0.5.
525.
Yeah, 0.525. And then what's the next step? Okay, and then shade to the left of each z-score, you calculate.
Okay, so for the negative, it's 0.238.
And then it's the same one for the positive.
0.762, right? Because don't you have to highlight both of them that are to the left?
Yeah.
Yes, I think so. Both of the things, right? Shade to the left of each z-score.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be 0.762.
So 0.762.
Yeah.
And then wait, what was the other one was 0.238,
Yep.
which
Did
makes
we
sense
just
because that
add
would
them
be one.
together?
No, we find the difference, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. This is the one problem I was having a hard time with, was finding the in between, the whatever.
So then 0.762 minus 0.238.
I got 0.524,
Yeah.
and that's our answer.
524, which was our thing in the very beginning anyways, so that was okay.
Oh, that's funny. So we really should have just highlighted the middle.
The middle.
Yeah.
Okay,
So why don't they just
0.524. Okay.
Well, maybe he's trying to teach us how, well, I guess you were still using the applet though, so I don't know.
Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for the adults. So we just write 0.35 up here, right?
Yep.
Hi, 0.35. And then we want to know, we just want to,
0.290?
What'd you get?
do you highlight them all? What do you highlight when you find this? Oh, nothing changes. I see. Okay, never mind. 0.35. Is Christy on here yet?
Not yet. She hasn't messaged or texted anyone, or texted me anyways.
Hmm.
And she hasn't messaged any of us.
So
We said 10. We said 10, right?
Yeah.
okay. Is the answer just our z-score? 0.385? No, does that give us our z-score and then we plug it in to find the value? Is that how it goes?
I don't
We
know.
plug it into our x equals, because wait, what are we trying to find here?
Let's see. Let me look.
No, we're just trying to find the percent. Okay, percentile. Highlight the area you're looking for and type the percent in the box and your score pops up. Okay, so highlight the area we're looking for.
So 35th percentile is, which one would we highlight? The
Find the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults.
Okay, it says, okay, so this one's like an example to show for the 90th percentile. You click on the regions of the graph so that the area to the left of one of the bars is shaded and nothing else is shaded on the right.
So what did you just look at to help you?
At our textbook?
At our textbook.
Yeah.
So what would we shade here?
Yeah, so I think this is to what he was saying about if it's 50% or over, you shade. So we would only shade the left.
Just the under part, right? That's all, because it's 35%, because it's so small. Is that right?
So just that left arm.
So is our z-score negative 0.385?
Yeah. I think.
I know, seriously.
I'm confused.
I think that's it.
If you look at our book on its section 3.4.
Because
Yeah.
and if you just look at this normally, 35% is obviously not going to be more than one little section. Because if it was 50,
Yeah.
we'd highlight more. So it makes sense to just highlight one part. And so our z-score, how many standard deviations away from the mean? That sounds right. 35th percentile. Because we're not trying to find an actual score. We're just trying to find the area. So, okay, that sounds right. So negative 0.385.
Yeah. And then for 80th, I think we would,
Highlight the higher part.
yeah, I think both of them, the left and the middle.
Because that's what they did in the book
Because
for the
that's why I'm
90s.
confused, so because I think that something other is like when we're trying to find, or never mind, we're trying to find 80th percentile. So no, never mind. Don't listen to me. I'm just talking to myself.
So we do highlight the middle even though it's 80th because 80th is above 50. So wouldn't we just highlight the above part? But does the book say you have to highlight both?
Yeah, well, the video I watched last night said if they're asking for anything above 50%,
Uh-huh.
you gotta highlight two. So you gotta highlight the middle and
Oh, okay.
the side. Does that make sense?
Uh-huh. Yeah. Uh-huh. So I got 0.842.
Yeah, that's what I got too. Those videos, if you watch them, they helped me a little bit, but
I love
Yeah,
the
I forgot to this week.
I love
but
the
I've-
videos. They're like what I live off of. I just didn't memorize them awesomely like you did.
well, I just watched them last night, so
Okay, ready? Who's going to be the guinea pig and submit their answers?
I don't know. I kind of want to take screenshots of what we put.
Seriously, maybe I'll write down. Well, I'll submit it.
I'm
I'll
just screenshotting it here.
Yeah, screenshot yours. I'll submit it.
Okay.
You're going to go to the school, right? Okay. Like to Walmart? Okay. Okay, I'm submitting it.
Ah!
Here I go. You ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yep.
Everyone's all nervous. Okay. The first one is right. The second, oh, that's because duh. Okay. Let's see. 3 is right. 4 is right. 6, 7. Oh, wait, where's 5? Okay, 5 is right. 6, 7. 8 is right. 9 is right. 10 right. Right. Okay. We got the last two wrong. We got 17 and 18 wrong.
Okay, so maybe I'm wrong.
Honey, 1 second.
All right, so
Highlight the area you're looking for and type the percent into the box. And then, well, it's a 90%. That's a pretty good score. Should we just, who cares? Okay. Put probability up between, above, less.
okay, so it says yeah, so it says click on the areas under the curve until only the areas left of the positive z-score are shaded blue. So that's what we did. Type the desired percentile in the box at the top of the graph. And the z-score corresponding to this area will be displayed in the bottom right box.
Okay, can you guys catch me back up really quick? I'm going to put all my answers back in and then I'll.
Oh, yeah. Yep.
So, here's the top.
I'm gonna grab my son so he stops crying.
Yeah, you're good.
Ah, you are fine.
Okay, the answer to 3 is what?
It's okay, so 1, false, true.
Oh, the answer to 3 is 1.
Yeah, sorry.
Okay, and then false. And then true.
And then C.
And then B.
C. And then 7 is what?
B.
B. Okay. 8 is
68.
68.
68. 9 is
0.683.
0.683. 10 is
0.955.
11 is
0.997.
okay. 12 is the first
The
one.
first one, yeah.
Okay. 13.
0.238.
Okay. 14.
0.762.
Okay. 15.
0.762.
16. What, 16?
Oh, sorry. 0.524.
Okay. Thank you. Thanks for that. Okay. Now, is there anything up here that we did correctly in the probability we could just copy? Is there a percent?
Yeah, so I don't know. I'm so confused.
I'm gonna need some more.
Okay, B is the greater than. And the 35th percentile for the protein requirement for adults. So we plug it in. Maybe I'll bring up the book too, because that probably would.
Yeah, but we're doing exactly what it says. That's
The protein.
oh wait, we got to take the Z-score.
Do we have to put it into that thing?
Yeah, so we're solving for X. For
Is that
area.
what we're doing?
I think so. I think so. So
Because our answer for 30 for 17, did we try? We tried negative 0.385, right? And that wasn't it, right? Okay. So that's
wait,
our
for which one?
score. For 17, what was
Yeah,
our
but that's
answer?
our Z-score. So
Okay, yeah. So
I
then we
think
do have to put it into
we
this.
got to plug it in and yeah,
Okay.
because we're
So
solving for
our mean, is it still 0.65?
yes.
Are we on that problem still? Is that sort of okay?
Oh no, wait, are we?
No. Find the probability of a requirement between. Oh yeah.
What?
Okay. Population mean is 0.65. Yeah. Okay.
Are you sure? Where do you find that?
It says on right before 12, it says use this information for the next 6
We're
questions.
still okay. So
That's right, right?
still,
Okay, yeah. And the standard deviation is
yeah.
point. Okay. So then it's x equals 0.65
divided by
plus,
0.07.
and then our z is negative 0.385, right?
Yep.
Yeah.
0.385 times the standard deviation, 0.07. Okay. Calculator.
Are we rounding up or just not till we get the final answer?
I think when we get the final answer.
Okay.
Did you get 0.623?
Yep. That's what I got.
Okay. So 13 is 0.623. I mean, not 13. Shoot. Dang it.
No,
What was 13?
13 was 0.238.
Thank you. Okay. 17 is 0.6.
Wait, I put it in 16.
Yeah, no, you're 16. That's the one we just did.
We just did 16?
Yeah.
Okay.
16.
But 16
no,
was
no, no.
right. No.
16 we got 0.524.
Yeah, that one's right.
Okay.
And then 17 should be 0.623.
Yeah. Okay, and then 80
I
So
got
now we just-
0.709.
for 18.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. 0.80. We highlight above. So your z-score was 0.385, right? Which totally makes sense.
Oh, it was? Oh, wait.
No, never mind. Sorry.
That's not what we put.
80. Sorry. Was it 0.842?
Yeah.
Okay, I just highlighted it wrong. So 0.65 plus 0.842 times 0.07. Okay, 0.842 times 0.07 equals plus 0.65. What did you get?
I got 0.709.
That's what I got.
I have no idea.
0.709. All right. Does somebody else want to answer or submit
Yeah, I
theirs
will.
and see if it's right?
Yeah, I will. Hopefully we get those right.
Yeah, seriously. Or it's like I'm at a loss and let's just go on with our day.
Oh, yeah, they were.
Okay, good. Okay. Perfect. All right.
Yay. I'm glad to have that.
Did it.
Okay.
So we're planning on Monday again?
Yeah.
Yeah, same time, right?
Yeah.
Yep. The next Monday, the 30th, I will have to meet on Tuesday instead.
Okay.
Totally fine.
But
Either day works great for me.
yeah, me too. Just as long as I know.
Yeah.
That should be fine for me
Should
too.
we it's kind of easier for me to exchange like a text, like reminding
Yes.
maybe just text each other, be like, see you at this time or something instead of email, because I don't often get on my email. So
I know, I don't either.
Jill, what's your number?
Okay, it's area code 505
Okay.
592
Okay.
3368.
Okay. Jacqueline, what's yours? Do you go by Jackie or Jacqueline?
Jackie's okay.
Okay. What's
Mine's
yours?
area code 507
Okay.
391
Okay.
4359.
Okay. And then mine is 509
Okay.
707
Okay.
3486.
All right.
And this way I feel like we could just call each other too, just to be like, wait, what'd you get for this one? I'm dying. Like,
Yeah.
it would just be easier too.
The one bad thing about online classes is you're kind of like marooned, like.
Yeah. This is nice though. I tried independent study through BYU.
Yeah.
It's not nearly as awesome as this because you don't ever work
Really?
with anybody. You're just always solo. And I like communication, it just helps me to learn.
Yeah.
So
I like to be able to do some things on my own, but
Yeah.
yes.
things way too daunting to.
Yeah, this class is good to have. So far though, knock on wood,
Yeah.
it hasn't.
It's been understandable. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right. Okay.
All right.
We'll see you guys.
Okay, good luck.
Bye.
I'll
Okay,
post
bye.
this.
You have a cute little boy. He's so cute.
Thank you. He's crazy.
How old is he?
7 months.
Oh, he's so cute. All right,
We
Kay, I'll talk to you
love
later.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.